You need to prepare the USB cable and you need to connect your phone to the computer by using the USB cable. Most likely you can use the original cable if you have the USB type A port on your computer. Otherwise, you might need to use a different cable, as long as it is USB-C on one end to be able to connect to the phone. Once you connect to the computer, you will see the charging information, of course, but essentially you want to go to notifications in order to see this information, charging this device via USB. So we can tap here, and we want to select File Transfer / Android Auto. After that, you should be able to go to your computer and find your device over here. So this is of course on Windows as an example, but essentially you should be able to find your device, open it, go to internal storage, and you have pretty much everything that you have on your phone, including photos and so on and so forth. So that's it. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.